Monty Don opens up about his love for gardening. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Gardener's World host Monty Don was in a reflective mood this week, after digging up some well-established parts of his garden at Long Meadow. The presenter told fans that he had removed the box hedge in his cottage garden, 5 days after completing working in the jewel garden. Monty had previously revealed that the beautiful hedging, which was a prominent feature in both sections, had been ravaged by blight. Sharing an update on Instagram today, he said, "The removal of box hedging has now reached the cottage garden. I mourn what they once were, but not what they had become thanks to box blight. Everything changes," the 65-year-old added in view of his 753,000 followers. Many took to the comments section to share their thoughts on the matter, after watching Monty's garden grow. "Such a shame," one social media user said. "That must be heartbreaking," another added, sharing a similar sentiment. "The box looked so grand in its prime, but I can't wait to see what you have planned next." A third fan remarked, "What do you plan to replace them with, Monty?" A fourth follower asked, before sharing their own concerns regarding the formal design. "I've got a beautiful box hedge at the front of my cottage and I'm terrified blight might get it and ruin the whole look of the front garden. A new beginning. Everything happens for a reason," another person remarked. Last week, Monty told fans that the time had come to dig up his box hedging, after it had been destroyed by the disease. Don't miss Amanda Holding sparks frenzy as she strips naked amid Simon Cowell jibe. Update. Shameless grifters. Piers Morgan slams Harry and Meghan. Comment. Ralph Little on Death in Paradise romance between Florence and Neville. Insight. He posted pictures of the work in progress and spoke sadly about the picture showed the hedge being removed from the jewel garden on his estate in Herefordshire. Big day. The box hedging in the jewel garden, ravaged by blight, is being dug up at the end of a chapter, but the start of a new one, he added. Trending a before and after photo followed a few days later, which showcased the transformation. Same picture 10 years apart to the day, he told fans. Did Nigel's living sculpture survive the blight, or did you use other plants for him? One worried fan asked about the tribute to his late dog. "I believe topiary Nigel is you," another person replied.